Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to find your Facebook password if you forgot it. Let's get started. Go to your phone settings. Now scroll down. Tap on Google. Now tap on Password Manager. Now tap on facebook.com. Enter your screen lock or password. Now click here to see your password. By this process, you can see your Facebook password if you forgot it. Thank you.